Hello everyone, welcome to IApple Pro YouTube. Today in this video, I will share you how to use YouTube PiP on your iPhone. Running in background. Work with any iPhone and without jailbreak. Let's do it. Prepare to set up. Open App Store, find and install Scriptable app. Not open, exit to home screen. Next, click YouTube shortcut link in video description. Wait for shortcut loading. Add shortcut. I already add on my iPhone. YouTube shortcut add. Now return to home screen and open YouTube app. Select video you want watch in PiP mode. Example with this video. Press share and more, choose YouTube PiP. Scriptable app automatic running. Now, you can exit Scriptable app and continue watching YouTube in PiP mode. You can move to any position. Watching YouTube PiP when use another app. Can minimize it. YouTube PiP keep running in background. Try with another video. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.